if you could revive your body and spirit without having to take a single vacation day? Retreating for even a weekend can clear your mind of its worries, help align your body to health, and tune yourself into your spirit so you know what truly matters to you. I run a retreat that's accessible and filled with energizing outdoor activities, yoga and meditation, nature crafts, and time for relaxation. And it's all fueled by healthy family-style meals and a great sound sleep in a beautiful mountain home. Join me for the next one.